today for the Bitcoin and also for the altcoin prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I don't even know if you are ready for this video. I want to show you something which will change everything for Bitcoin, and it actually shows us where we are not only in this cycle but also on a more micro basis, what we can expect for Bitcoin now in the immediate short term. It is important to watch this video on top of the one which I uploaded yesterday. I want to talk about my multi-million US dollar trade on altcoins, on Bitcoin. Which ones are still open? Do I actually plan to open new ones? Are we going to go up or down? All of these things I want to discuss in today's video. So make sure you are smashing up the like to a new all-time high, as we all want Bitcoin to hit a new all-time high very, very soon. Let's go straight into the content, dear ladies and gentlemen. And if you want more of these videos, just give me some feedback here with the normal feedback functions you are having on YouTube, right? So before I go into the charts, I want to quickly talk about my trades here. And just a quick update. I didn't do anything since yesterday, but I am planning to take immediate action very, very soon. Bitcoin trade still 50-50, $10 million taken in profits, $9 million US dollars in unrealized profits. Then you have the SUI trade, XRP, and Ethereum XRP. I took more than $1 million in profits already. So these trades, you can see, they are kind of untouched. You also have BNB and XRP trades still open over on Levex. And yeah, the question is, what is going to happen right now? This is not I talked about that already, so this is not really what I want to talk about, but we have to make a full picture here for you. So let me start here. And before I'm talking about price targets and everything, I wanted to quickly remind you, this is a freaking mind-blowing chart. In the comment section down below, if you do want to be trading, I have here one of the top 10 or top 20 exchanges on CoinMarketCap, one which I really like to use. They have like 300 trading pairs. You have a 5,500 US dollar bonus. Click register deposit and you can trade. It's easy to use. They have an app and everything. Make sure you click and you register with my link to get this exclusive bonus as well, but do it only if you're an experienced trader. Anyways, I talked yesterday about this head and shoulders pattern, and you know the deal. The more often we are testing support, the more likely it is to be broken. So what we are having here, this chart pattern, the whole picture is more bearish than bullish. I just have to say how it is. It's more bearish than bullish. That doesn't mean we are necessarily going to break down. And as a breakout trader, you wait for the breakout. But if we would have to guess, the probability function leans a little bit more to the bearish side than to the bullish side, right? But I want to tell you exactly what I think is going to happen. And we have two scenarios, I think, on the bearish side, which is 86,000 and 75,000 US dollars as my two bearish price targets. I would only trade it if we break it with a daily candle and close below 91,000. Then I think it's pretty certain that we are going to go down to one of these levels at least, maybe both. Right? But that doesn't mean that and this is something, please guys, stay until the end. That doesn't mean that the bull market is over. What we need to break to invalidate this more likely bearish scenario is actually to break the support here to the upside. Close the daily candle above 99,000. But not only close that, confirm the breakout. You can see we had just a fake out before, which is hence, once more, another bearish indication. What we need is a daily close above and a confirmation of the break, a bounce. All of that will take some time. But once this happens, dear ladies and gentlemen, if the bullish scenario comes into place, price target, I will mention it towards the end of the video. But what I wanted to show you is for all those who are saying, hey, the bull market is already over. Yes, it's possible. It's just very unlikely. This is one of those MVRV Z-score, one of these indicators. I was one of the, let me go back to the face mode. I want to really, really make sure you understand the significance of that. I talked about that indicator. I was one of the first people on YouTube, one of the 3 first people, I think, on YouTube to talk about on-chain metrics. Everyone who's subscribed for a long time, you already know that. And I started talking about that, I think, in 2019 or so. After Willy Woo, I got inspired by him, talked about that on Twitter. And these on-chain metrics are giving us incredible insights about where the Bitcoin price is going based upon data pulled from the Bitcoin blockchain. The MVRV Z-score is the market value to realized value. That's a ratio. And it shows us areas of overvaluation and areas of undervaluation. In the history of Bitcoin, a bull market has never ended without us being overvalued. In the history of Bitcoin, a bear market has never ended without us being undervalued. That is a fact. That is a fact. And going here into that chart, and yes, guys, I need to shave for sure. I don't like beards on me, but yeah, you can let me know what you think, but I really don't like it. I was just lazy. I had a water fast and yeah, stayed at home, did a lot of work. Anyways, off topic. You can see here on the bottom side, the white line is showing us whenever the Bitcoin price goes over the overbought area, bull market is over instantly. When we go below the undervalued area, bull market is over, a bear market is over instantly. It was so easy to sell the top and buy the bottom based on that indicator. So selling the top right now might lead you to sell before the actual all-time high. Look at this. We are halfway there only on the MVZ score. What that translates in the Bitcoin price will be then, of course, in relation to what is the market value, what is the realized value. There's two factors going into that calculation. But the fact is, on that indicator, we are just halfway there. Keep that in mind. Even if we are breaking down, keep that in mind, right? Okay, I take profits on short-term trades. I deleverage my portfolio, but that doesn't mean I go out of Bitcoin. This is my very, very important message for you today. If you want to be trading, link down below. Smash up the like, smash the subscription button. I see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, bye.